What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna pull plugs because we're rolling up on 10,000 miles on these Brisk ER12.
Testing. System ready.
The, oh, okay, I did hit 51,000. I didn't even know I hit it yet. Hold on, let me get the. Boom. So we're at 51,024. Mind you, we're still on the stock clutch, so there's that. Right here you can see I put them in at 41,000. I checked the gap at 46,500. I have a 4-day weekend, so I'm gonna pull the plugs today. I regapped them at 0.025, so we'll see how much they've moved since then, and let you guys know. This will be the last time I'm gonna regap them, and then I'm just gonna replace them here probably 5,000 miles after this. And yeah, so far I've had no hiccups, no misfires. I don't really even notice anything going on. But they say to check them. I'll have to look it up, and I'll put it down here what the manufacturer actually says. But there was a little thread yesterday on the MK7 page on Facebook, a little discussion about these. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them and show you guys what they look like at 10,000, 5,000 after they've already been regapped. The last time I checked them, I originally did them at 0.024, and they went up to like 0.030. I regapped them down to 0.025, so we'll see how much they've moved since then. Good rule of thumb, always go out and take a drive before you do anything spark plug related. You want the engine to be hot. It makes the coil pack super easy to take out. You're not gonna wind up separating the coil pack from the bottom piece or any of that shit. Just make sure the engine's hot if you can, and it'll make your life a lot easier. Okay, I already got the bolts out for the plugs. Once the engine's hot, they should come out easily. I do a finger at the front, finger at the back, give it a little wiggle, and they pop right out. These are the same ones I've had now for 51,000. Boom. Simple. Now my guess is that since I put them to 0.025, it's going to go back up to like 0.030, somewhere around there. If it's anything higher than that, then I'm imagining I'll probably feel a difference on the high end. And I haven't been racing the past couple weekends, but I mean, I race the car pretty hard when I do. And I don't really notice any type of cutout or anything, so we'll see. And then after I do these, I'm gonna check the catch can, see how that looks. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks, so we've had some like rainy, shitty, cold weather lately. And so when it's colder out, especially like the winter months and stuff, you get a lot more stuff in the catch can due to condensation. So in the winter, you're emptying out your catch can a lot more often. On that night, I'll show you what it looked like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, this is what we got out of it. You asked me, Bryce, why do you save this shit? Well, when you first pour it in there, you can't. It's not separated at all. So here you can really see all the oil itself that it caught. Yeah, it's pretty rough. There's some sunlight on there for you. It's gross. Alright guys, this is from cylinder 1. Doesn't look too bad. Hopefully it's not too blurry on camera. They all look about like this. I haven't measured them yet, but they don't look too far off. Better than what I expected. So I went ahead and checked them all. That's the numbers. I had set them all at 0.025 5,000 miles ago. So they didn't move off too far, and they look pretty decent. They look pretty much the same as they did at 5,000, which is really good. I definitely ran the car harder the last, I'd say, month or two, since it was the end of the season, trying to pick up on points for the autocross season, and with the new tires and more ethanol, I just naturally pushed the car harder. So that's good to see. These will definitely be in the car for another 5,000. I won't be racing the car much at all for the next 5,000 miles. I mean, I travel a lot. And we go into Denver and shit this winter as well. So these will definitely be swapped out for new ones come the beginning of the next race season. So nothing to worry about there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them back in, check the catch can, and then I just got my box from Adams that I talked about in the last video. They sent me just more than detail spray. They actually sent me extra because they didn't check my messages when I sent them my information because I won the shit. So they sent me extra, which is pretty sweet. And they overnighted it. It came here in like a day. So that's pretty cool. Pull out your handy dandy torque wrench. Put them bitches to 17 foot-pounds. You're good to go. Don't mind me. I'm saving up for a real torque wrench. So this is one of them Vato Zone Johns. But it works. Alright guys, just a little PSA here. The top nut there, you're seeing right in the middle of the screen, you don't want to tighten that too tight. The bottom one, like you see in the middle of the screen now, you want to have that one tight, and then the top one definitely not as tight. Because if you go to try and take these off, and the top one's tighter than the bottom one, it's going to try and do the whole thing, and you're going to have to try and get something to hold that bottom nut still. If you don't have the proper tools, it's going to be really annoying. So always tighten the bottom ones way tighter than the ones on the top. The top ones really don't need to be tight. They're just literally holding that ground there. So don't fuck up like I have in the past. Alright, it's time to take a look at the catch can here. It's probably pretty gross whenever you first pull it out here. Let me flip my camera screen. Oh yeah, see that's fucking McNasty all over there. Ooh, yeah, so just wipe that down. This is coming in through, you know, you got these two top johns, so it's gonna get all over the dipstick. It probably still will whenever you pull it out, because it's like its own tube. It's not like a free, it has like its own little tube around the dipstick that goes down, so it's kind of hard not to hit it off the walls. But yeah, really it's only, you can't even see it on camera. It's like 2 millimeters worth of fluid, if that, so we're good to go. Alright, here's the box I was talking about. Nice little bit of, nice little box from Adams. Pop it right open here real quick. Ooh. Some shampoo. Some candies, some nice candy here. Sticker. Receipt. Ooh, boy. Alright, well this is cool. I didn't expect any microfibers. There's one. Ooh, this is super soft. Holy crap. That is nice. Okay, I'm definitely saving that for my car. Look at that. Get an air freshener. That's going in the car right now. Pumpkin spice detail spray and interior detailer. That's fucking cool. I'm gonna pop these open and give it a sniff. Ooh. Oh. These bitches smell good. Holy crap. You could almost drink this. Keep this away from your kids. Adams, that's awesome. Holy cow. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you liked the video. Hit that thumbs up. I should be making another video this weekend with my buddy's FRS and it's Turbo FRS at that. I might actually make a Pixel 2 versus Pixel 3 video because I can't seem to find one, and the questions I want answered were not on the internet, so I might make that as well just for shits and giggles. And it's getting cold, so I busted out the old GTI sleigh hoodie with turbos and stuff. Hopefully they sell these again this year, maybe with an R, not a GTI. That'd be sweet. I'd totally buy one. I think it was from Teespring. I ordered it when I was drunk one night, and then it showed up like 2 weeks later, and now it's ecstatic. Can't argue with that, right? Anyway, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you on the flip flop.